In today's video tutorial, we're gonna walk you through Ecwid Dropshipping with Aliexpress tutorial. So first thing we need to do is, once we're on the Ecwid store, go to the app section, then search for the dropshipping. Then here, what we need to do is select the sub dropshipping. Then click on install. Once installed, click on open app and it will redirect you to another page. Once there, go to find products. Now once we're going to find better price, what we need to do is choose the online store, then find my product, then click on find new product. Next thing we need to do is go to the Aliexpress. Here we must choose a product, let's say for this one. As you can see in the top selling, there's a lot of products here. Now choose this one. What we need to do is, so go ahead and right click on the picture that you've been chosen and save image. It says web file, but click it save. Now go to the manage and here, just paste it here. What you need to do is go ahead and find the downloaded web file picture. And as you can see, there's a lot of same results of the product. What we need to do is click on the import. Then go ahead and click on confirm. Now what we need to do is go back to this product. And there's a lot of variants here. As you can see, there's a lot of colors that you can choose. Now let's go back to the store. Let's go back to the store. Then what we need to do is go to the imported products. Then click on list it to store. And here what we need to do is provide a price of the products. Same price to all products. Then go ahead and click on list it now. Toggle the agree terms and policy. And it may take some time to finish. Alright, the product has been listed successfully, and that's how you list the products and the Aliexpress. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.